The CAIG Wing Loong II is changing the game in modern warfare, and here's why you should be paying close attention. Welcome back to the Nextgen world, where today we're diving into China's most advanced and export-successful combat drone, the Wing Loong II. Designed by the Chengdu Aircraft Industry Group, the Wing Loong II is an unmanned aerial vehicle that's turning heads globally, not just for its tech, but for its price-to-performance ratio. This isn't just a surveillance drone, it's a fully armed hunter that's being called China's answer to the American MQ-9 Reaper. With a wingspan of 20.5 meters and a flight endurance of over 30 hours, the Wing Loong II can stay in the air far longer than many manned fighter jets. That means extended reconnaissance missions, real-time targeting, and round-the-clock battlefield presence. It can fly up to 9,000 meters in altitude, out of reach for most short-range surface-to-air threats, making it a powerful tool in contested zones. But let's talk about what really makes the Wing Loong II dangerous: its firepower. Capable of carrying up to 12 air-to-surface missiles or precision-guided bombs, this drone isn't just watching the battlefield, it's actively shaping it. It uses weapons like the Blue Arrow 7 and LJ-7 laser-guided missiles, giving it the ability to strike armored vehicles, bunkers, or enemy troops with deadly accuracy. It's also loaded with advanced sensors, electro-optical systems, synthetic aperture radar, and laser target designators, allowing it to conduct all-weather, day-night operations. In short, it sees everything, even what you're trying to hide. One of its biggest advantages: affordability and ease of export. While the US limits drone sales, China is filling that market gap. Countries like the UAE, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, Nigeria, and Pakistan have already purchased Wing Loong IIs, using them in active combat with real-world success. This drone is no longer just theory. It's being battle-tested in live operations. And here's the twist: the Wing Loong II isn't just a threat in war zones, it's reshaping global drone warfare strategy. For nations that can't access Western tech, it offers a high-tech, lower-cost solution with deadly effectiveness. Its success is helping China secure defense deals and geopolitical influence across the Middle East, Africa, and Asia. So when you hear Wing Loong II, don't think of it as just another drone. Think of it as a symbol of shifting military power, rising drone warfare, and a future where the skies are patrolled by machines with long reach and sharp teeth. That's it for today's deep dive on the Nextgen world. If you're into cutting-edge military tech and future warfare systems, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because we're just getting started.